Hi, my name is Spencer Dromlowski, and um, I saw Brittany Taylor today at my work at Safeway, and this is a video response for you, Brittany Taylor, because I saw you today with your boyfriend and I think your parents. I don't know, but anyways, I wanted to say that I wanted to get a picture with you because you're really cool and you I love your videos and stuff, but and I also love your videos that you do with Shane Dawson because he's a really cool YouTuber too, and I really adore all of his YouTube art because he's really funny, and I want to maybe one day meet him because I know you've done a lot of videos with him and stuff. So, but anyways, I was kind of wondering. I was like, whoa, she's up here in Washington. I wonder why. But I was thinking maybe because you're up here for the 4th of July. By the way, happy 4th of July, that's coming up. La la la, yay. But maybe you live down in California, or maybe that you live here in Washington or something. I don't know. But anyways, I just want to also do a little shout out to all the cool YouTuber people. So, and again, this is for Brittany Taylor, and Brittany Taylor, you are one of my very cool, famous YouTubers. Okie dokie, bye bye, nice to meet you.